Nih episode Meanwhile mana lagi nih yang kita ini nih mainin nih. Mimi Sora apa ya Mato? Mimi aja dulu ya dari bawah ya kita guys.
今日は楽しかったかい？
Oh di emaknya emaknya bapak ya. Bapak kayak mama aja. Really? I have fun too. It's been a long time since I've been out and about with Papa and Mama. And we bought a new swimsuit that Mom picked out for me. Dia tuh kan pada bingung kan Bapak Mama ya. Karena mereka secara waktu dunia nyata tuh cuman gak nyampe sehari malah kan ya. Kan posisinya mungkin mereka paginya jalan ke camping, siang udah balik. Enggak siang sih jatuhnya, cuma sehari doang ya. Karena kan udah malam. Waktu itu udah tidur tuh. Kan si Koshiro on Raremon malam-malam. Berarti udah sempet tidur dulu mereka. Berarti udah sehari lah balik ke dunia nyata. Udah semalam. Can you remember that? Well, we were having an adventure in the Digimon world. It hasn't even been a day here. Tuh kan nggak ada sehari juga di sini katanya. You're supposed to be a stuffed animal right now. Don't talk. No, I'm so bored. Iyalah.
ミミ、早くしない
Then
と遅
hurry
れちゃ
up.
うよ。
We're gonna be late. I'm coming. Digimon, everyone will make a big fuss over you. Got it. I'll be quiet. Ada Digimon kah? Wah, Tyrannomon, cok. Lawan nih. Minions, Pam Demons, Minions. Why hasn't anyone else noticed him? We're the only ones who can see him. He hasn't completely materialized here. No way. We have to lure him somewhere else. There are too many people around. I have to go somewhere for a bit. Go where? Here, come over here. Gila, diajak diganggu itu, cok. Let's go. I'm leaving this to you, Palmon. Okay, let's go. Let's go, kita berubah. Dia belum ultimate sih. Coconut punch. Kena ke lu, jangan miss, please. Please kena. Musik asik. Kenapa? Please kena. Wis kena loh. Gak ada miss-missnya. Dikit lagi naik. That was close. I can't believe he appeared here of all place. Huh? Oh, what's wrong, Mimi? We're running so much that the swimsuit Mama booked me got all messed up. Kotor ya? It took so long.
どこに行って
Did
た
you go somewhere? Yeah, I was chasing someone I thought I knew. But I guess they just look really similar. Okay, then let's go to the movies
思い出すな。僕らの
that
最
we
初のデー
went
ト。
to on
映
our
画館に
first
行った
date.
よね。
Udah nih, kalau udah video bentar banget guys. Gak apa-apa, gua upload apa adanya ya, gak apa-apa. Well, yeah, nice I could buy another swimsuit, but Going out with mama and papa is something money can buy. Mimi, you've gotten pretty mature. Sudah bertumbuh Mimi juga bro. I'm just joking around. Itu bukan bercandaan, kocak.